of the Computer Misuse and Cybercrime Act number 5 of 2018. Because of the offense on diverse dates between the year 2022 and 11th day of October 2025 at a known place within the Republic of Kenya. Through WhatsApp forum, namely Teachers Make Exam 2025, intentionally published false and misleading information that you are in a possession of examination materials which KCSE 2025 exam papers according to originate from the Kenya National Examination Council with the intent that it be acted upon the authentic and the fraudulently obtained money from members of the public. Nasiuma Crispinus number 622 14 unlawful possession of another person's identity card, according to section 14F of the Registration of Persons Act, part number 107, laws of Kenya, particulars of the offense on the 11th day of October 2025 at Kianjai area, Dania West sub-county in Meru County, within the Republic of Kenya, was found in possession of national identity card number 56015037 the lawful property of Lucy Mugoni Kimeshu without lawful authority. Nasiuma Crispinus number 602, count 3, unlawful possession of another person's identity card, contrary to section 14F of the Registration of Persons Act, part number 117, laws of Kenya, particulars of the offense on 11th day of October 2025 at Kianjai area, Dania West sub-county in Meru County, within the Republic of Kenya, was found in possession of national identity card number 37806435, the lawful property of Bosco Kioko Wambua without lawful authority. Nasiuma Crispinus number 2, count 4, unlawful possession of another person's identity card, contrary to section 14F of the Registration of Persons Act, number 107, laws of Kenya, particulars of the offense on 11th day of October 2025 at Kianjai area, Dania West sub-county, in Meru County, within the Republic of Kenya, was found in possession of national identity card number 40324008, the lawful property of Doris Kadini Imeshu without lawful authority. Nasiuma Crispinus number 602, not 3.
Yes, Mr. Cleo.
We like to plead this case to be lenient to the accused person, Your Honor. Your Honor, we are praying for favorable bail and bond terms, Your Honor, for the reasons that the accused person is only aged 22 years. He was set to graduate on the 17th, but did not do so because he was in police custody, Your Honor.
You were supposed to graduate from where?
On 17th, Your Honor.
Where?
It was a holiday from Meru University.
From Meru?
Yes.
He's a student in Meru?
He's a student, Your Honor. Yes.
Studying what? Bible of Science in Mathematics and Physics.
You're asking the court to consider that the accused is a young man who has no income at all, no source of income at all, who is fully reliant on the parents, Your Honor. The parents are also people of humble. They're also struggling to be on their feet, Your Honor. In the miscellaneous file that was before your brother, Honorable Letoy, that has just been closed, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor, the chief. Yes, Honorable Lemina, Your Honor. Yes. In that file, Your Honor, the accused person had been granted a cash bail of 50,000 Kenyan shillings, Your Honor. We are praying that the same be maintained, Your Honor, considering he has no source of income at all. Your Honor, the accused person is not a flight risk. His place of abode is well known. Your Honor, he has been cooperating with the investigators in this matter, Your Honor. And we are praying to the courts to be lenient, Your Honor. Your Honor, before we finish, we also wish to request the investigating officer, if they're in court,
Okay.
we are kindly requesting them to pull down the publications that have been made against my clients. Yes, online, Your Honor, on Facebook.
Yeah.
Yes, Your Honor. The publications were made on 12th of October, 12th of October. You know, they are very injurious to my client. He has already suffered his fair share. Your Honor, the publications are to the effect that my client is a mastermind behind an online syndicate, Your Honor. They are prejudicial to my client against his presumption of innocence, Your Honor. He has already suffered his fair share of shame, Your Honor. We are asking the court to consider that and be lenient to the accused person. We are asking that he be released on a cash bail of 50,000, Your Honor, so that he can also go and enjoy the fruits of his education.
On the issue of the publication, just do a formal application.
Yes, sir.
On the question of bond bail, I note that the accused person was earlier on in a miscellaneous file.
Yes, Your Honor.
He was released on a bond on a cash bail of 50,000. But now the accused person has been charged. So I'll consider I'll admit him to the following bond terms. I'll admit him to a bond of potentially 200,000 with a surety of a similar amount. And then alternatively, a cash bill of 100,000. So a cash bill of 100,000, and then he'll avail 2 contact persons. We'll have a date for the pre-trials.
18th November.
All right, so mention on the 18th of November for pre-trials.
Your Honor, the 50,000 that has been